We get these leads and we're like, this is such a good lead because it comes from a friend and they know me, and we skip our whole freaking sales process. So when you meet with this person, first question, what's the most important thing we need to accomplish? Next question, what research have you done on us, right? And then take your ego, put it in your back pocket and sit on it, and don't go down the road of, hey, you're friends with Barry, I'm friends with Barry too. Remember when Barry ate the giant steak? Oh my God, that was crazy, right? I wonder if he still talks to Sheila. Don't get into this, a personal conversation, right? Start over like it's a brand new deal. Even when it's a hot lead, you got to start over when it's a brand new deal. Because if you don't, you're basically skydiving without a reserve parachute. When it's a really hot lead from a friend that's gonna buy, congratulations, your ass just jumped out of an airplane with one parachute. It's probably gonna open. If it doesn't, you're gonna bounce, okay? Which is why you always need the reserve. What research have you done on us? What's your biggest reason for needing to switch out equipment? When you say you've had some problems with your current company that's working with you, can you give me a specific example? Just out of curiosity, where are you guys at in terms of top line? Because your nature, my nature, the great and powerful Lena's nature, when it's hot, we skip all that stuff. And we go, oh, I can help you. You're a friend of Joe's, I can help you. Here's our price. And they go, cool. And then you have nothing when you call them back. If you have no reserve parachute and you bounce and it's gross and they got to scrape you up with a spatula. Or if you land on turf, your equipment has to vacuum the splat up, right? We want a reserve chute. And the reserve chute is, hey, because of the fact that you said, whether that's a referral from your mother, your brother, or anybody else, you still need to find out the answer to that before you pitch your product. So it's great that they got you in the door, but let's not skip any steps. Does that make sense?
Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're gonna love this. I'm about to give you my closing mini masterclass absolutely free for you. Click the link here and I'm gonna cover the $300. You're gonna know how to close. Life is about to get a lot easier for you. No strings, no catches. I'm gonna give you the closing mini masterclass for free right here, right now. I'll see you on the other side.